Welcome to EVM Africa, East Africa's leading local assembler of electric vehicles based in Kenya and serving the Komesa region. To us, efficiency is everything from assembly to cost and impact to the environment. That's why we pride ourselves on having a highly specialized team that assembles our vehicles, giving our customers the best value for their money. There's relatively little servicing and no expensive exhaust systems, starter motors, fuel injection systems, and radiators among many parts that are not required during assembly. This helps our electric vehicles have a zero exhaust emission system, essential in reducing harmful air pollution. These electric vehicles run much quieter than petrol or diesel vehicles, making them an absolute joy to drive. Having these electric vehicles assembled locally allows EVM to save import duties and other taxes. Our products include industrial, hospitality, utility, transport, golf, and mobility. So when you're looking for efficiency and affordability, look no further than EVM Africa.